It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I know.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with West Kiss hair once more. So let's get into today's package. Okay, so this is today's wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. Then I look into the box and I got a pair of lashes, I got a bonnet, 2 HD wig caps, a West Kiss elastic headband, and then lastly a West Kiss drawstring bag. That's everything in the box. So today's wig is a vibe. Wow, this is gorgeous. Like, this is actually gorgeous. Like, it comes styled and everything for you already. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, and it's a highlighted body wave. Okay, perfect for summer. I love this color. Like, perfect. It's 24 inches long, by the way. When you know stretched, it is curled. It's so nicely curled right now. So yeah, and it's 180% in density. Also, it is a medium wig cap that we're working with, and inside we have a like extra elastic band attached, a total of 3 combs for more security, and adjustable straps in the back. Guys, it's nicely constructed, you know, standard cap construction. I'm just putting in the combs so you know it's nice and snug when I slip it on, but it looks so good. Like, I can tell I'm gonna love this. Oh, and it's so nicely pre-plucked. You see that? It's nicely plucked. So, whew, I'm so ready to install this. Let's go. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take the elastic band, slip it on over my head. I'm doing the ball cap method for this installation because I'm gonna do a really nice glue install. I love this, and it's already laying so flat. It looks so good. The only thing I'm probably gonna have to do is just fix the curls in the front to my liking more. Oh, but I'm loving this already. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace on the sides.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes.
I'm just gonna go ahead, take my time, and start applying the glue. I'm just gonna do like 1 layer though. Yeah, I'm literally just gonna do like 1 layer.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think of it away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
It's so melted. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace with only 1 layer of, that's it, man, that glue is so strong. Oh, the lace isn't tinted or anything, so you know, over time, the way I did the installation, you know, the castness will dry down, but I'll go in with a little bit of my what is this, the lace tint mousse, and just, like, you know, go over that area. I find this to be so handy. I already laid the edges and everything, but just to kind of seal it off, you see, I kind of tone it down. That really kind of tone it down, so that's really nice. This is the Shake Bar Argan Oil Lace Tint Mousse, and this is in medium brown. Yeah, I think that's a really good product actually. It's very nice and pigmented, and it does what it's supposed to do, you know. So yeah, this is how we're looking. I feel like just one layer of that glue has an amazing hold. So this is me, and I'm just getting some shedding because, you know, I did go ahead and cut off the sides, like the extra pieces on the sides as usual. So I'm just running my fingers through the hair. Yes, this looks so nice. They basically did the curling portion for you, so they sent the hair already curled, so all you need to do is just unravel it if you wish to, you know, if that's the look you want, you're going for. If you want to keep it all curled up and in the, you know, initial curl form, then you can. But this looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is, you know, I have to flatten down the top of my wig, and I'm also going to, you know, fix the parting, make it more visible and precise, and I'm gonna give the sides here some layers and go over just the side with my curling iron. Right here, just to frame the face. Already you see how beautiful that falls. I tell you, layering just always does the best for your waves and curls, like always. And it's really just me being fussy, saying that I'm gonna go in and even like redo the curl here, but I think it looks so good.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher girl, my rocket love.
That's exactly what I was going for. Love that. In the meantime, while this one cools, because I had to recurl it again, because I wanted it always ends up that they have to be cousins, just like the eyebrows. Like, they never match, at least for me. Like, well, they do match sometimes, but it's just like I know you guys know what I mean. But no, I'm just gonna make my parting a little bit more precise.
Gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes, guys. This is what I was going for. It's a 10. It looks real good. Real good. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Weskis Hair. Shout out to Weskis Hair for this bomb wig. The color, everything. I really love the color job. Like, you know, the way, you know, it's just each highlight is strategically placed, like, properly. Like, I love that. So, and the fact that this came pre-curled makes life so easy. The hairline looks really good. Like, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really feeling today's wig look. Let me know. I'm going to be sure to put a direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. You know, if I have any code, any discount, anything, it will be listed if, okay? So go ahead, check that out for sure. But listen, this is a bomb Bodywave balayage styled wig for the summer. I love this. It's giving grown, it's giving sexy, it's giving boss, it's giving style, trendy, everything that is supposed to be. I love it. Love it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out today's wig look once more. We found it informative. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on your post notification bell so you can see my other wig looks that I have coming up and other videos that I have coming up. So yeah, continue supporting your girl. I really appreciate it so much. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sit right next to you.